How to draw Angelica Pickles from the Rugrats, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing two pieces of hair right here towards the center of the page. These two pieces of hair will both be connected. Next, right below the hair that we just made, we're going to draw the first eye. First, let's begin by drawing a curved line and then attaching a circular shape to the hair on the left hand side that we first drew together. And on the inside of the eye, for the pupil, we're just going to draw a small black dot. Now right next to the eye that we just made, we're going to draw the nose by drawing a small V line that is facing the eye. And attached to what we just made, we're going to draw the second eye, which will be the same size as the one that we just made together. Now moving over a little to the left, we're going to draw two more pieces of hair that will attach to the eye on the left hand side, along with the ear that will attach to the hair. To draw the ear, we're just going to make a small simple C line. Now from this point, we're going to draw a curved line to help make the hair that is connected to the ear, and on the right hand side, we're going to connect the hair to the right eye, similar to what we did on the left hand side. Nice! Next we're going to want to draw the two pieces of hair on the sides of Angelica's hair, first by drawing the bows. Let's go ahead and draw the first bow, right here, then we're going to draw the hair which will attach it to the head. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Fantastic, now let's go ahead and draw the second piece of hair on the left hand side, similar to what we just did on the right. Well done. Next I'll draw a small S line on the inside of the ear for detail. Now connected to the ear, we're going to draw a curved line going down with the mouth to the right side of that curved line. The mouth that we draw will be open, showing the teeth on the top and the tongue on the bottom. Nicely done. Now right below the mouth, we'll draw a curved line to make the chin. From here, right next to the mouth, we're going to draw the hand that will be resting on the face of Angelica. Now that we have the hand drawn, we can now finish drawing the rest of the face. From this point on, everything else that we draw will be below the head, so let's go right below the chin and let's draw the neck by drawing a shape that looks similar to a rectangle going up and down. Next, connected to the neck, we're going to begin to draw the shirt. So as of right now, on the right hand side, we have the hand of Angelica drawn, but we don't yet have her arm drawn. Let's go ahead and draw this arm right now and connect it down to the shirt that we just drew together. Fantastic, so far I'm really happy with how my drawing is coming along. Now let's go draw the second arm and hand on the left hand side. So now we'll just want to draw the bottom of Angelica's dress by drawing a big curved line that will connect from the left side over to the right. Now coming out from the dress, we're going to draw the shoes along with the legs. Let's begin on the right hand side, and let's first draw a small square shape for the top of the shoe, and then we're going to attach it to the dress by drawing two long lines that are straight. These long lines will help us make the leg. Next, attached to that small square shape, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the shoe. Well done, now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side that we just did for the right. Now for detail on the legs and shoes, we're going to draw a line going across the bottom to help separate the colors, along with small lines for the laces. On the legs, we're going to draw small circular shapes to help separate the colors. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's draw 4 small eyelashes attached to each eye. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more Rugrats drawings, then check in the description down below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.